Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a mix of red, yellow, and green bell peppers, and 8 ounces of your preferred pasta. For the creamy sauce, have 1 cup of coconut milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese ready. Don't forget your jerk seasoning and essential spices. Now, let's prepare our delicious jerk shrimp. Take 1 pound of shrimp and toss it with 2 tablespoons of your favorite jerk seasoning, ensuring each piece is well coated. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the seasoned shrimp and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Once cooked, remove the shrimp and set them aside. Next, we'll create the rich and creamy Rasta pasta sauce. In the same skillet, sauté 1 cup of sliced bell peppers and 1/2 cup of diced onion until softened. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and add 4 ounces of cream cheese, stirring until it melts smoothly. Then, mix in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for extra flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. Cook 8 ounces of your chosen pasta, according to the package instructions, until al dente. Drain the pasta thoroughly and add it directly to your creamy Rasta pasta sauce in the skillet. Gently fold in the cooked jerk shrimp, ensuring everything is well combined and coated. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley and serve this incredible dish immediately for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.